Alright, so after you download the software from the link at the bottom on the video's description and burn it to a DVD, you press any key when you start up your computer and this should pop up. Just press continue, or select your language and press continue. We're installing Mac OS on an HP Compaq TC4400. Now, on this screen, we're going to go up here to utilities, disk utilities, you select your hard drive, select the erase. It has to be a Mac OS extended journal, and press erase. Put whatever name you want here before selecting erase. After you do that, you close this window, continue, I agree, continue, and here is where the trick is. Here's where you gotta be really careful. So the bootloader is already selected. The kernel we're going to select is the QOOPZ. Let me zoom in so you guys can see the selection. So this is the selection we're going to use on the kernel. We're not going to select anything here. Select the Apple SM BIOS 667 megahertz. That's for the memory cards that are on this HP Compaq TC4400. Let me see something. We don't need this. So here we're going to select the trackpad, Voodoo PS2 trackpad. Excuse me. On fix, we're going to select CPU fix, FireWire remove, and that'll be all. That'll be all here. Drivers. You need to select the correct drivers. If not, your computer will have no sound, or Wi-Fi or wireless card will not work. So the audio CACs or drivers for this PC particular one is going to be the Apple AZALIA audio. I don't know how to say that. Azalea, something like that. Chipset. It's gonna be ICHX fix. And networks. You gotta choose. I'm sorry. You gotta choose the one that it's for your computer. So you gotta make sure for this particular one, again, it's Apple Broadcom 5751. This is the one for this computer. This is for the Ethernet. If you have a cable connected to it, and for the wireless card that's inside of it, you're going to select the Broadcom Wi-Fi. System management. Sorry. System management is going to be we're gonna use all these for the system, for our system. Let me see. Yep. Then the video card is an Intel the video card is an Intel GMA, but you gotta select the one for laptop. GMA 950. This is the one for this particular laptop. And then a language translation, if you speak Spanish, I'm gonna select that because I sometimes use it, but you don't have to. If you select whichever you need. And this should be it. Now we're gonna select install at the bottom and let it, hold on, wait for the pop-up right here. I'll always let it until it goes up to 1, and then I skip it, just to let the disk start, for the CD to start moving. There it goes. Just to make sure the CD is still moving. And that's it. This is how you install Mac OS on an HP Compaq TC4400. Alright, so it's finished installing. Now it's going to restart. There he goes. You don't have to do anything. It'll take you to the home screen. And everything is working 100%. Well, actually 99.9 because the pen for the touch screen doesn't work. But I'll try to figure something out, and if I find anything, I'll post it. But I wanted to show you guys how to make a full functioning Mac out of a HP Compaq TC4400. And here he goes. As you can see, everything works perfectly. The volume, as you can see, the Wi-Fi is working. And there you have it, a whole working Mac on an HP Compaq. Everything is working 100%, as you can see here. The Wi-Fi, the volume. Everything works. And since this is the last update of the software, you can install all. You won't have any problems installing updates or anything. So as you can see, everything is working. Remember, if you do this on a Compaq, you're gonna erase everything on it, so make sure you have nothing on it that you'll need later, because everything will be erased. Well, that was it for me, and I'll see you next time.